So currently we are going to discuss regarding system, what is exactly system testing. And before classes, we have discussed regarding user acceptance testing, UAT testing. In that we can able to see alpha testing, beta testing, and everything we have discussed now. So now we have to discuss regarding system testing. Okay, and here and before going to discuss, please subscribe my channel and like, and if you have any queries you can able to comment here also. Please support me. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, now we can discuss. Okay, what is exactly system testing? System testing is nothing but testing of a complete and fully integrated software product. That's nothing but system testing. We have I mean, we have different types of models are there now. After they have integrated, then only we have to test it totally. I mean, when 100% of per sprint or any their requirement na completed 100%, then we have to do system testing. They will integrate. After we have to perform the testing over here. Okay, I will write what is exactly system testing. Testing is, sorry, testing of a complete and fully integrated software product. That's nothing but system testing. This is the definition for the system testing. And not only with this, and checking the system behavior. And checking the system behavior. This both combination, we can call it as a system testing. And in system testing, it's we have two levels. System testing has two levels. One is for functional testing and one is for the non-functional testing. Okay, what is exactly functional, non-functional? And the functional, we have functional testing in different types, and non-functional testing, it's a different types. When we have to do exactly, for example, we have functional in the sense it's an we have like a login functionality, so it's undercome the functional. We have registration functionality, so it's undercome the functional. So it's based on the logics only we have to do here. So different types of functionality. So for example, if it is like any Flipkart or Amazon is there now, so we have to add the product, add to cart, and we have to put in the wish list also. So everything is the functionality based on the client's requirement. We have to validate there. Okay, and here, so what are the types of functional testing? We have many more types of functional testing. Types of functional testing. So generally, we have I mean a number of there, but only in that we can able to choose what is exactly important and for the interview purpose and real-time testing scenarios. And in that mostly we have a few are there. One is the smoke testing, and the second one is sanity, and the third one is positive testing, and the fourth one is negative testing. We have different types of testings are there. So mostly only few are mostly, I mean, often we have used na, so that's only just I am going to tell. Fifth one is like regression testing. I will explain with one template also. Based on the one dummy project, I will explain what is exactly from designing test cases to defect reporting and closure everything. I will explain here. Yeah, please subscribe in between. If you forget also, please. Yeah, we have retesting also. And end-to-end testing. E to E we can call in shortcut. And we have like exhaustive testing. Only fewer. These are the most important in our side also. And ad hoc testing. And we have another also there. But okay, here like exploratory testing and like monkey testing. Okay, these are the several important functional testing types. So we will discuss one by one what is exactly functional testings. Okay. Okay. What is exactly smoke testing? Smoke testing is nothing but testing the basic functionality of the application only. Only basic functionality and major functionality of the application. It is done on the initial builds only. When first release is happen, na, then only we have to do testing. The testing we can call as a smoke testing. So I mean, if you need clearly, na, so for example, we have versions like V1, V2 are versions there, na. So we can do smoke testing only in version 1 only. This is the updated version. Am I right? So V2 is the only here only. For example, if we have V3 also, we can't do here V3. Only we can perform only first to release initial builds only. We have to perform the testing on that initial builds. The testing is nothing but smoke testing. Okay, I will write over here the description. It is the basic testing. First of all, smoke testing is the basic testing. Sorry. Yeah, now it's fine. Yeah, a smoke testing. I mean, we can call it as a testing the basic or major functionality of the application. We can call it as a smoke testing. I have seen it's a basic testing and only basic or major functionality. For example, we have flip. I mean, order shopping carts are there, so like a Flipkart, Amazon. So here what is the main motto of the basic functionality? So we need to search our desired products, and based on that we can able to buy, I mean we can able to add cart or add to cart or wish list. So based on that we can able to purchase that after get I mean we have to place the order na. So like that he we have, I mean that's the basic or major functionality for the what, like shopping carts na. So same like that in any other products are there na. So there as per their requirement we have to do the basic and major functionalities of that specific projects only. So different types of domains are there na. Based on that we can able to test. We have different types of domains like e-commerce domain, banking domain, and in insurance domain and telecom domains. So we have different types of domains na. So based on that we can able to do the testing. Okay, yeah, that's the smoke testing. And after that sanity testing. Okay, what is exactly sanity testing? Sanity testing is the type of software testing that is performed after a software build is received with changes. Just one second, received with changes in functionality and code. Okay, then we can call it as a sanity testing. Okay, I will explain after written, I will explain, then you can able to understand easily. Okay, based on the definition only we can't understand something also. We have to see that, then only we can able to understand. It is performed after a build is received with changes or modifications in functionality and code. Yeah, okay. Sanity testing is nothing but sanity testing is the, I mean it is a performed after a build is received with changes or modifications in functionality and code. Okay, now for example we have taken here example na. So this is the initial build everything. So just here I'm copying and pasting over here. Okay, so this is the version 1, version 2, version 3. Okay, so here we have 5 user stories we can call us. Okay, and user stories. Okay, 5 user stories are there. So after that actually in product backlog. Okay, just I'm writing backlog only, sorry. Backlog we have 10 user stories. In the first 10, not 10, okay, just I'm taking 15. In the first version I have, I mean in the first sprint I have selected, I mean based on the product owner we have chosen 5 features. Okay, here again in the next sprint we have to choose another 6. In the another feature we can able to, I mean another sprint we can able to select 4. Okay, based on this, okay, for example here first is the only we have 5 functionalities are there. For example after that we have added again 6. After that we have added again 4. So total 15 na. So when code is received with changes here or modification in functionality and code, I mean we can able to update. Okay, in simple language, when project is update na, after that we have to test na. So we can call it as a sanity test. It's in simple way. Okay, and it is the part of I mean integration testing also. So I will explain there what is exactly integration, I mean sorry, it's a part of regression testing also. Okay, just a second. Yeah, sorry. Yeah, sanity testing, it's done on stable builds only. Okay. Okay, when sanity testing is nothing but when we can able to receive the application with update and then we can do we can call it as a sanity testing. So it's mostly done on a stable bits only. It's done on stable builds. Okay, we will discuss what is builds, what is exactly. Okay, yeah, we can complete mostly retest up to positive and negative testing. I will close for the class tomorrow, and again we will discuss remaining classes.